You'll feel right at home the moment you step inside this beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. Beautiful hardwood floors, replacement windows, and tasteful updates throughout create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The updated kitchen features newer appliances with plenty of cabinet space. Recent improvements include a new furnace and a Culligan water purification system, giving you added comfort and peace of mind. The full basement offers a 1-car garage plus additional unfinished living space that's perfect for a family room, home office, workout area, or playroom. Outside, you will enjoy a beautiful backyard that is enclosed by a 6-foot privacy fence that creates the perfect setting for entertaining, relaxing, or a perfect place for your pets to enjoy. A 12x14 storage shed provides plenty of room for all your lawn equipment and outdoor storage needs. This move-in ready home has been lovingly cared for.